boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's almost weekend, Friday, October the 28th, 2022, almost end of the month. So next week we have, I believe, a speed test. Yes, next week, Friday, the first Friday of the month. Alright, we have two puzzles left. The first two I have already solved, the 3 stars and the 4 stars. Well, the publisher switched those puzzles because this puzzle with 3 stars is more difficult than this one with 4 stars. Anyway, two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. Binary time. Number, this will be number 35398. 5398. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column. Now always 4 O's and 4 1s. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then I need to think. Yeah. Well, 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Yeah, I need to think. 1 2 3. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be definitely a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Well. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. But I know that if this is an O, then that should be a 1. Same for here. If this is an O, then that should be a 1. It cannot be a double O here. Well, I do not know. Is this a 1 conclusion or well, then that box should be an O or a 1. If this is double 1. Double 1, double O. Well, if this is a double O, cannot be, then we have a 1. If this is double 1, then this should be a double O then. Then we have 4 O's. And these should be 3 1s in a row. So it cannot be a double 1 here or a double O. So must be O and a 1 there. Okay, so here we have a O and a 1. So then we have 4 O's. Here O, second, second, third, fourth. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. If I place the fourth O here, then we have a double 1 there. So it can be an O here. This should be a 1. Yeah. Otherwise, we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I can compare. Or I can compare this one, or that one. The row. Okay, double 1 here. Double 1 here, here. This row and that row. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0, empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4, yes. 1 2 3 4 1. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. So need to compare again. Now the question is compare the columns or the rows. Well, I think the columns, this one and that one. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0, empty box. 1 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between the 1's comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Finish in 6 minutes. Well, we've completed again with 2 times comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.